This portfolio website I made with AI, without coding, without moving elements and being frustrated for hours. So I got here, I'm creative graphic web designer, connect with me. Then I got like contact form here. And when I go back, I got on a loop here, design that makes brands impossible to ignore. Take a look on my best work. So I just want to show you like that there are no limits what you can create and how you can create it. And also I got reviews here, also on a loop, about. Then I got also work here, so the project, I can click on the project, view project, and I got information about it. So it looks pretty good, and this didn't take me long to make. And I want to show you how you can make something like this too. Of course, you can make it way better if you want to, so let me show you how we can do it. Let's go. So the first thing we're gonna do is that we have to get the domain and hosting for our website that we're gonna make. We're gonna use a Claude Design, and I'm using a Claude Pro account. So for the domain, what you're gonna do is click on the link down below in the description. You will get right here to Hostinger, and there you're gonna just click on the pricing. You get 10% off, and right here you're gonna have premium and unlimited. You can choose the premium. And when you're gonna be right here in premium, you can go with a period 48 months. And the more months you're gonna have, the less price on monthly basis you're gonna have. You're just gonna write here the secure your domain. And when you're gonna choose it, you can choose how long you want it. First year is completely for free. And have a coupon code here, just write Marcus. And then you're gonna have 10% off. So in a moment when you would continue, don't get any WordPress or hosting a website builder, you don't need it. So this is the start. Now the next thing is that you have to find some template. We're not going to start prompting into Claude by its own. You want to have a template from website, something that you like. So I write here portfolio website template Figma, or even Webflow or Framer. And just find something that is related to your work that you would like, yeah, like I like this, I want to have it like that. And that's something that we're gonna use. So make me a website portfolio graphic web designer, like I'm sending you the images. Don't put your own design to it. I want you to make it as graphic related to screenshots, okay? Don't want to have a blog there, want to have multiple pages with information about projects, little bit of animations, make up numbers. Ask me questions about the design, animations, and information that you need. Also smooth transitions between pages and mobile friendly. So here I just wrote it there. You're just gonna write the things what you actually want to have there. If you're gonna have multiple pages, go with the module. And I don't know what when you're watching this video, but you can go with the effort, and I'm going to go max only because I want to have it like really good, and it's going to be multiple stuff. So I'm just going to click send here. So now with ask me questions, it's going to also happen to you, and I just add here the hero tagline, which pages should the site have, also project images, content, and the headshot, and all the things that it's going to ask you, just gonna answer, or also anything else here. And I'm just going to press continue, and it's going to build the site. It made the site for us. Right now I'm going to show you what it built. So I'm creating graphic web designer. We need to do some changes here. It doesn't look bad, but we're gonna improve it a lot. So about, then we're gonna have the work here, and we can click here view project, and we have the information for the project. And we would have to change everything, of course, regards the pictures, the contact here. Also, that's something that we got. So let's little bit do some edits. Now, how we're gonna do it, guys, I'm going to show you how the whole process works. So either you can start writing on the bottom left, or you're gonna go on the top right where you're gonna have comment, and you can start to draw and give a comments, or you can click edit here where you can edit the text, the images, like everything that you see by yourself, like even here the text. Let's say you want to change it. That's something that you can do. So let's now do the changes for the site. I'm just going to start writing here, and let's see what it's going to do. Of course, if you couldn't do any big changes, go to always top left project menu and duplicate the project. That's something that you always want to do, duplicate the project. Before you're gonna make big changes, because it's difficult for Claude to go back. So it made the changes that I wanted. I got connect with me here. Also, I got the projects here. Then process that helps to break the competition, the reviews. So all the things that I wanted, it actually did, and that's really good. Now, of course, the contact form is not going to work. What you need to do is go to Web3 Forms. It's a free option that you would get actually, that when someone is going to write you will get it on your email. And all you have to do is write to the Claude that, okay, this is something that I got the code, and please insert it so when someone is going to write you, you are going to get it. I made a separate video on how we can do it. You can find it on this channel. So here, the next step we're gonna do is that how to add it to our own website. How we're gonna do it is that you're gonna come here and write to Claude, export me main page as index.html and other related pages to it as HTML. So you want to do this so I can upload it to my website. What you're gonna do is then you're gonna click send it, and you're gonna have download link here. So now it's going to download. I'm going to come to websites. Let's go to Hostinger, profile. Okay, I need to log in. I'm logging in, and then you just have to upload it. So let me show you how we can do it. Okay, look at that. So now when we're gonna come here, I'm going to go websites, and then you're gonna open dashboard, and right here you're gonna go to files, file manager. And while it's gonna load, I'm going to download it. And let's open it. Export. And then we're gonna go to Hostinger, public HTML, remove everything that is here, and then right here you're gonna upload the site. And look at that. So we're gonna have it. Now when I come back to websites, open the site, and we got it. So hope this video was beneficial on what you can actually do and achieve. Just always, whatever design you want, you can paste it to code. It's going to make it like that. There are no limits what you can do. Maybe some, but it's like you can always write it how you want things, and you can do a lot. So if you can have any questions, guys, let me down below in the comments so I can help you. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.